English Conversation Junction.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
What did you do today?
I went to the park with my friends.
What did you do today?
I went to the park with my friends.
Did you have fun?
Yes, it was a lot of fun.
Did you have fun?
Yes, it was a lot of fun.
What did you do at the park?
We played volleyball and had a picnic.
What did you do at the park?
We played volleyball and had a picnic.
Who did you go with?
I went with my best friends.
Who did you go with?
I went with my best friends.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
How long have you been playing basketball?
I've been playing for about 5 years.
How long have you been playing basketball?
I've been playing for about 5 years.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
What position do you play?
I usually play as a shooting guard.
What position do you play?
I usually play as a shooting guard.
Have you ever won any awards?
Yes, I won MVP last year.
Have you ever won any awards?
Yes, I won MVP last year.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
What do you do for fun besides basketball?
I enjoy reading and painting.
What do you do for fun besides basketball?
I enjoy reading and painting.
What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery novels.
What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery novels.
Do you have a favorite author?
Yes, Agatha Christie is my favorite.
Do you have a favorite author?
Yes, Agatha Christie is my favorite.
Have you read any of her books?
Yes, I've read almost all of them.
Have you read any of her books?
Yes, I've read almost all of them.
Which one is your favorite?
And Then There Were None is my favorite.
Which one is your favorite?
And Then There Were None is my favorite.
What about painting?
I mostly paint landscapes.
What about painting?
I mostly paint landscapes.
Do you paint often?
Yes, whenever I get free time.
Do you paint often?
Yes, whenever I get free time.
Have you ever sold any of your paintings?
No, not yet.
Have you ever sold any of your paintings?
No, not yet.
Do you plan to?
Maybe in the future.
Do you plan to?
Maybe in the future.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why blue?
It reminds me of the ocean.
Why blue?
It reminds me of the ocean.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love it.
What do you like to do at the beach?
I enjoy swimming and collecting seashells.
What do you like to do at the beach?
I enjoy swimming and collecting seashells.
Have you traveled to many beaches?
Yes, I've been to a few.
Have you traveled to many beaches?
Yes, I've been to a few.
Which one was your favorite?
The beaches in Hawaii were amazing.
Which one was your favorite?
The beaches in Hawaii were amazing.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love experiencing new cultures.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love experiencing new cultures.
Where have you traveled to?
I've been to Japan, Italy, and France.
Where have you traveled to?
I've been to Japan, Italy, and France.
Which one was your favorite?
Japan was fascinating.
Which one was your favorite?
Japan was fascinating.
What did you like about it?
The food and the temples were incredible.
What did you like about it?
The food and the temples were incredible.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I'm always up for trying new things.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I'm always up for trying new things.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, I love sushi.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, I love sushi.
What's your favorite kind?
I enjoy salmon nigiri the most.
What's your favorite kind?
I enjoy salmon nigiri the most.
Do you cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your specialty?
I make a mean spaghetti carbonara.
What's your specialty?
I make a mean spaghetti carbonara.
Can I try it sometime?
Sure, I'd love to cook for you.
Can I try it sometime?
Sure, I'd love to cook for you.
That sounds great.
When are you free?
That sounds great.
When are you free?
How about Saturday evening?
Saturday works for me.
How about Saturday evening?
Saturday works for me.
What time should I come over?
Around 6 p.m.
What time should I come over?
Around 6 p.m.
Sounds good. See you then.
See you on Saturday.
Sounds good. See you then.
See you on Saturday.
Did anything exciting happen?
Not really, just the usual stuff.
Did anything exciting happen?
Not really, just the usual stuff.
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Shawshank Redemption.
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Shawshank Redemption.
Why do you like it?
It has a great storyline and amazing acting.
Why do you like it?
It has a great storyline and amazing acting.
Have you watched it multiple times?
Yes, too many to count.
Have you watched it multiple times?
Yes, too many to count.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
What's Whiskers like?
He's very playful and loves to cuddle.
What's Whiskers like?
He's very playful and loves to cuddle.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother.
What's he like?
He's mischievous but also very caring.
What's he like?
He's mischievous but also very caring.
You get along well?
Yes, we're pretty close.
You get along well?
Yes, we're pretty close.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What's your favorite genre?
I enjoy pop and indie music.
What's your favorite genre?
I enjoy pop and indie music.
Who's your favorite artist?
Taylor Swift is my favorite.
Who's your favorite artist?
Taylor Swift is my favorite.
Have you been to any concerts?
Yes, I've been to a few.
Have you been to any concerts?
Yes, I've been to a few.
Was Taylor Swift one of them?
Yes, and it was amazing.
Was Taylor Swift one of them?
Yes, and it was amazing.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the piano.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the piano.
How long have you been playing?
I've been playing since I was 7.
How long have you been playing?
I've been playing since I was 7.
Can you play any songs?
Yes, I can play a few.
Can you play any songs?
Yes, I can play a few.
Do you have a favorite song to play?
I love playing River Flows in You by Yuruma.
Do you have a favorite song to play?
I love playing River Flows in You by Yuruma.
Have you performed in front of an audience?
Yes, at my school's talent show.
Have you performed in front of an audience?
Yes, at my school's talent show.
Were you nervous?
Extremely nervous, but it was fun.
Were you nervous?
Extremely nervous, but it was fun.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn.
Why autumn?
I love the cool weather and the colorful leaves.
Why autumn?
I love the cool weather and the colorful leaves.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I enjoy hiking.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I enjoy hiking.
Have you been on any memorable hikes?
Yes, I hiked to the top of a mountain once.
Have you been on any memorable hikes?
Yes, I hiked to the top of a mountain once.
How was the view?
It was breathtaking.
How was the view?
It was breathtaking.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I love photography.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I love photography.
What do you like to photograph?
I enjoy capturing nature and landscapes.
What do you like to photograph?
I enjoy capturing nature and landscapes.
Have you ever exhibited your photos?
No, but maybe someday.
Have you ever exhibited your photos?
No, but maybe someday.
Do you have any favorite photographers?
Ansel Adams is one of my favorites.
Do you have any favorite photographers?
Ansel Adams is one of my favorites.
Why do you admire his work?
His black and white landscapes are stunning.
Why do you admire his work?
His black and white landscapes are stunning.
Have you tried black and white photography?
Yes, it's challenging but rewarding.
Have you tried black and white photography?
Yes, it's challenging but rewarding.
Do you have a favorite photo you've taken?
Yes, it's a sunset photo at the beach.
Do you have a favorite photo you've taken?
Yes, it's a sunset photo at the beach.
Can I see it sometime?
Of course, I'll show it to you.
Can I see it sometime?
Of course, I'll show it to you.
That would be great.
Maybe we can go on a photo walk together.
That would be great.
Maybe we can go on a photo walk together.
I'd love that.
When should we plan it?
I'd love that.
When should we plan it?
How about next weekend?
Sounds perfect.
How about next weekend?
Sounds perfect.
Great, I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
Great, I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.